Imagine an island where time slows down, a place where golden beaches stretch endlessly, where ancient traditions live on, and where nature remains untouched. Welcome to Sumba Island, one of Indonesia's best-kept secrets. If you're looking for an escape far from the crowds, this hidden paradise is waiting for you. Unlike Bali or Lombok, Sumba remains largely undiscovered. There are no bustling tourist hotspots, no high-rise hotels, just pure, natural beauty, and a glimpse into a world that has remained unchanged for centuries. This is the kind of destination that makes you feel like an explorer, uncovering something truly special. Located in the eastern part of Indonesia, Sumba Island lies just a short flight from Bali. Unlike its famous neighbor, Sumba remains unspoiled, offering travelers an authentic and raw experience of Indonesia's natural beauty. The island is part of the Lesser Sunda Islands and is divided into two main regions, West Sumba and East Sumba. Each area offers something unique. West Sumba is known for its rugged coastlines and stunning surf spots, while East Sumba boasts vast savannas and rolling hills that look like they belong in Africa rather than Southeast Asia. Sumba's remoteness is what makes it special. The journey here is an adventure in itself, taking you through scenic rural landscapes, small villages, and untouched wilderness, and trust us, every moment spent getting here is worth it. But what makes Sumba so special? Let's explore its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and unforgettable experiences. Sumba is home to some of the most breathtaking natural wonders in Indonesia. Unlike other islands in the region, Sumba's terrain is diverse, featuring golden beaches, limestone cliffs, rolling grasslands, and dense forests. Niawatu Beach. Named one of the world's best beaches, this stunning coastline is a surfer's paradise with its crystal-clear waves and golden sands. Whether you're an experienced surfer or a beginner, Niawatu offers an unforgettable experience. But even if you don't surf, the beauty of this beach is something to be admired. Wikuri Lagoon, a hidden saltwater lake with mesmerizing turquoise waters, perfect for swimming and relaxing. The lagoon is surrounded by limestone cliffs, making it feel like a secret oasis tucked away from the rest of the world. Tanjung Mareha, a dramatic cliffside viewpoint where you can witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. If you're looking for that picture-perfect moment, this is the place to be. Imagine standing on a cliff watching the waves crash below as the sky turns shades of pink and orange. Pure magic. Wayerinding, hill-rolling hills that look like they're straight out of a fantasy movie, offering panoramic views unlike anywhere else. The landscapes change colors throughout the year, from lush green in the rainy season to golden brown in the dry season, making it a perfect backdrop for photography lovers. And let's not forget Lapopu Waterfall, the highest waterfall in Sumba, where you can take a refreshing dip in a natural jungle paradise. Unlike Bali's crowded waterfalls, this one feels completely untouched. But Sumba isn't just about nature, its culture is equally fascinating. Sumba is known for its ancient megalithic traditions, where locals still honor their ancestors in sacred rituals. Unlike most parts of Indonesia, where Islam or Hinduism dominates, Sumba follows Marapu, an ancient animist belief system that revolves around nature, spirits, and ancestral worship. Pasola Festival, a thrilling horseback battle that happens every year, where warriors ride at full speed, throwing wooden spears in an ancient ritual of bravery and honor. This event isn't just a spectacle, it's a deep cultural tradition tied to the island's spiritual beliefs. And don't miss Sumba's famous ikat weaving, handmade textiles that take months to craft, making them some of the most beautiful in the world. Each pattern tells a story, passed down through generations. Now, you might be wondering, where can you stay in Sumba? From world-class luxury resorts like Nihi Sumba, named the best hotel in the world, to charming eco-lodges and local homestays, Sumba offers accommodations for every type of traveler. If you want to truly experience the island, staying in a traditional village homestay is an amazing way to connect with locals and learn about their way of life. Getting to Sumba is easy. Fly from Bali to Tambolaka or Wangapu Airport, and from there, let your adventure begin. Sumba is still a hidden gem, but it won't stay that way forever. If you love adventure, culture, and untouched nature, this is the time to visit before the crowds arrive. So, are you ready for an adventure like no other? Come and discover the beauty of Sumba. Visit Sumba, Indonesia's hidden paradise.